Come, here we are again at the Jeep Hut with a beautiful 1986 Jeep CJ7 Laredo, just completed by our techs here at the Jeep Hut. Put a 4-inch rough country lift kit on it with a set of 33 mud claws, mud terrain tires with some Pro Comp wheels, rugged ridge rear tube bumper, painted the hard top, re-geared it with some Yukon gears, repainted the doors, put some new rugged ridge side steps, front bumper with a worn 8000 M8000 winch. New windshield. Under the hood, we've got a beautiful Golden engine 4.6 stroker. Just installed brand new. And that's her. Owners are here to pick them up, or pick it up. Again, here at the Jeep Hut, if you need a restoration, custom build, re-gear, axle swap, tires, wheels, accessories for your Jeep or 4x4, give us a call. 706-692-5488. We'll be happy to help you any way we can, because Jeeps are what we do. Thank you for watching.